So I've washed the meat with Kpomo. So I'm going to add Maggi. So I will stir it and allow it to simmer before I will now add water. So here we've already washed the palm fruits and cocoyam. So I'm cooking the two of them together so that when it's done, I'll blend the palm fruits and squeeze out the juice and also blend the cocoyam. Then we'll continue the cooking proper. So let's check the meat after 5 minutes. So I'm going to add stockfish now. I'm going to add the stockfish with opoloko. So I'm going to add water that can cook the meat. So let's check the cocoyam and the palm fruit to know if they are okay. Okay, as you can see, it's done. So I'm going to filter it and start blending. And I think the meat is also okay. So I'm trying to bring out the juice from these palm fruits. So that's what we are going to use to cook the soup. So we are done extracting the juice. So look at it. Our hot water has boiled. I'm going to add the bitter leaf. So I want to pre-cook it so as to remove the bitterness that is still remaining inside it. So I don't want the soup to have any trace of bitterness. So that's why you need to pre-cook your bitter leaf when your hot water boils. So you add your bitter leaf, allow it to cook for like 15 minutes or 20. Then you bring it down and wash it thoroughly so as to remove the bitterness from it, even though it's already washed before, but yet it's still bitter. So with this it will remove the remaining bitterness that is still remaining within the bitter leaf. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm adding the cocoyam. So at this junction we are adding bitter leaf. So I've pre-cooked, washed it. So here is bitter leaf. So you add your bitter leaf. Adding pepper, crayfish. So this is ogiri bowl. So I'm going to dissolve it by the side now. So I'm going to add the meat and the stock with everything rishi that I've cooked. Look at it here. So I'm going to add it now. So we are adding everything. So wow. So I will allow it to boil before I will now add Maggi and salt. So the soup has boiled. I'm going to add in salt and give it a stir. We are almost there. So I'll still leave it to still cook for like 10 minutes. Then I'll off the lights. The aroma now is, you need to come closer to perceive it. It's tinted bitter leaf soup. So you need to have a taste of it. Look at our bitter leaf soup. Wow, is it not yummy? It's yummy. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.